Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about wavelengths and prism. This is mentioned in class 10 chapter 6. If you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe. After subscription, click on bell icon for more videos. Let's start. First of all, what is light? It is a source of illumination. As you all know, there are two types of lights and its sources, man-made and natural. Now, what is prism? Prism is a three-dimensional shape with two identical shapes facing each other. Remember, all sides must be equal and all angles are also equal. Easy way to draw a prism that we should take all the sides of same length and we should draw angle of 60 degree on all sides, then we will end in a prism. Prisms are usually made of glass, acrylic and fluoride. Transparent material is used to make prism so that we can see dispersion of light easily. The Great Pyramids of Egypt are best example of a prism. For making a model of prism, you can use cardboard or any of material, but for passing through light and making example or a practical of dispersion, you should always take a transparent prism. As shown in the picture, when white light is passed through a prism, it scattered to so many colors. These colors are known as Vibgyor, is the short form to remember how many colors are formed by a white light. Similarly, in rainbow, we can also see 7 colors. All other colors are mixture of these colors. To see effect of 7 colors and again making them white, we should place a prism. We should place another prism in this way. In the final outcome, we will get white light again. According to pyramid science, a thing placed under pyramid, which is shape of prism, can last longer. Next is angstrom. It is the unit used to measure wavelength of electromagnetic radiations. Now, what is wavelength? It is the distance between two successive crests or thoughts of a wave. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to raise to power minus 10 meter. Remember, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, it is equal to 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. The white light consists of 7 bands of different wavelengths. Remember, light of same color obtained from different sources will have the same wavelength. So, colors is the subjective property of light related to its wavelength. White and black are not considered as color. 7 bands of different wavelength of light produce the sensation of different colors on retina of our eye. How we see colors? It can be explained with the example. If wave bands of red and yellow light are on simultaneously incident the retina, then the ultimate perception of color by the brain is neither red nor yellow but orange. As you all know, different parts of body send different messages to brain. Similarly, our eyes send messages to brain about the colors. And if all 7 wave band incident retina, then we will see white color. Wavelength is the characteristics of color irrespective of its origin. It must be kept in mind that The effect of each wavelength is slightly different from the other wavelength. As I have shown wavelengths of each color in the chart, I have put them in descending order. Next is dispersion, the phenomenon due to which white light splits into component colors when passed through a prism is called dispersion. It is an experiment and you can go through this by using a prism. Or you can feel on sometime when there is rainbow. The logic between rainbow is that the drops of rain act as a prism. As a result, rainbow is formed. Always remember that in rainbow there are 7 colors, and easy method to remember is Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So students, this is the explanation of wavelengths and prism. I hope you have understood now. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share with maximum people. God bless you all. Thank you.